Hello student, welcome to today's session. Today we shall be discussing one question based on chemical bonding based on the bond parameters. So here comes the question, very interesting question it is. Which of the following statement is incorrectly written for methyl chloride and methyl fluoride? So you have to pick the incorrect statement in terms of bond energy, bond length, polarity and dipole moment. So to solve this question, let us see what can be done here. So we know for sure that the electronegativity of fluorine is greater than that of chlorine. So this is very clear to us. And if it is more electronegative fluorine, so the polarity in the bond would be greater for CF bond. So of course, more is the electronegativity difference, more is the polarity. Now, as regard to the bond length, we could see that the length of 3p orbital is greater than that of 3p orbital is bigger in size as compared to the 2p. So, of course, the bond length of carbon-chlorine bond is greater than that of carbon-fluorine bond. And we also would see that smaller is the size of combining orbital, more effective is the overlap. So, more effective overlap, if it is there, then we may say that the bond energy of CF bond is greater compared to that one of carbon chlorine bond. Considering all these factors, it seems that the first three options are correct one. These three are correct one. Now more is the polarity, more would be the dipole moment, would be a very obvious question. So it means that D option is also correct, but it is not correct. So here is the important viewpoint, that the dipole moment depends upon the charge on dipole, and second is in the length of the dipole, and at times you also have to take a angle also. That is the third factor on which the dipole moment depends. So here we are not considering the angle. So what we are going to do is that charge of carbon fluorine bond is greater, but the length of carbon chlorine bond is bigger. So if you do the multiplication of these two, it has been seen that the dipole moment of methyl chloride is unexpectedly greater than that of methyl fluoride. So there are very few exceptional cases where length of the dipole predominates upon the charge. So this is a very important question. So make it a point, you should know it. So this is the right answer because this is the incorrect option. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.